Here's a very vintage quad preamplifier, really rough condition, and the 2 power amps. And this is the English version, or it's made in England of course, but it's a 240 volt, and it sold last week. I can't remember what it sold for. Obviously got a non-paying bidder, but the item is in India, so I think shipping is going to be pretty high. Unless you're in India, then it won't be that high, will it? So it says defective there on that one. But even in rough condition, these vintage audio items can fetch some serious money. So what have we got here? 46 seconds. See if I can get this, a bidder list. See how serious they are. Oh, private bidders, okay. So you can't see their feedback number. Alright, 32 seconds, down to the wire. Beautiful sounding amplifier, tube amp. Very sweet. Oh, up to 610, that's jumped. 10 seconds. $610, not a lot of money. Well, they're in rough condition, and I think shipping and the location is going to be an issue for a lot of people. So there you have it. Quad 2 amps and a preamp.